Well, hello there. This is James with Moonifine Mineral, and it's time to do some geode cracking. These beauties here are for the Mineral of the Month Club. We're going to be cracking a whole buttload of these to be shipping out, so stay tuned. But first, a word from this video's most illustrious sponsor, me. One of the core tenets of my channel that I'm trying to solidify is to bring you the very best value that I can. But that translates into my business as well, and at the end of the day, they're basically the same thing. This year I started a Mineral of the Month Club, and as it grows, I plan on adding more and more value. My dream with this is to help people create fun starter collections out of unique, fun gems, minerals, and fossils. Some months will be more interesting than others, but if you like shiny baubles, learning about the world we live in, or just want a unique gift for that magpie-brained loved one in your life, this is the subscription service for you. $10 USD a month plus shipping. This is one of the things that allows me to keep giving you all of the fun content that I can, so your support is greatly appreciated. Let's get back to the show. Alright, let's get to it. What do we got? Woohoo, that's a sparkly one. Oh yeah. Look at that. Got a star-shaped cavity too, that's even better. Nice. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice little double cavity. Hee boy. And the color. Oh, that's what's up. Let's focus in just a little bit more. There we go. That's a wild geode. Nice. Now this one looks like a little caterpillar. It's kind of got a little triple cavity going with it, so let's see if those are all hollow. Let's go. Come on. Good crack. Oh, no! No! How dare you? Well, okay, that's really cool. Let's, alright, we'll do a do-over on the other pieces, but look at that. Look at that. That's wild. Just little dainty little crystals. That's fantastic. And this side's pretty cool. But we'll crack along this edge here, see what happens. For real though, we need to take a closer look at this. Just look at that color in there. It's got some botryoidal growthing of some kind in there. Maybe some carnelian, some kind of agate, I guess. And it looks like little ferruginous has grown over some quartz crystals as well. But that is absolutely wild. So what I'm going to do, this piece right here is probably solid. That's why it didn't crack right. So we're going to just take a little snip off the top there. This will be a cool geode. Let's go. Alright, round two. Come on. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, so here's this half right here. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a cool one. Yeah, boy. Yeah, somebody's gonna really luck out with this guy here. Just, that is a wild, wild geode. So just sparkly and gemmy. And I love these points. This is awesome. But for real, just like I said, look at the coloring on this. That is something, that's just something else. That's amazing. Alright, next up. Alright, next up. Oh, real quick. There will be one Mineral of the Month Club member this month that will receive one of my Geode gift sets as part of the monthly drawing. Let's get back to it. Come on now. Ooh, yeah. That's what's up. And... Come on now. Let go. Ooh. Ooh, this side's got some really cool crystal growth inside of it. Look at that. That's nice. This side's got some fun iron staining on it. Gives it a funky color. Solid geode, I like it. But not that kind of solid. I like it. Ooh, hey now. Yeah, a little excess material, that's fine. Lots of excess material. Come on now, don't be like this. Alright. There we go. This one just did not want to pop. What are you? Oh, you're funky. That is weird. What is that? My goodness. Okay, 1 second here. Yeah, that's bizarre. It's like some kind of clay mineral. Not 100% sure. But if you are a Mineral of the Month Club member and you want to claim this one, let me know. And it's yours. This is a weird one. This is a really, really weird one. Just look at... It's got quartz. That clay mineral is real silky too. It's kind of weird. Yeah, this one's kind of funky. Not 100% sure how I feel about it. But if you like it, let me know. Alright, that last one was a little weird. Let's keep going. Ooh, hello. Well, you just wanted to open right on up, didn't ya? Alright. Boy. Oh, dainty crystals. You can kind of sort of tell which way this one oriented in the ground because of how a lot of the iron staining happened in it, but still gorgeous, gorgeous crystals. Look at that. Look at that, just real dainty. This side especially. That's nice. Alright, next up. This one was a little dense and has a real funky feel to it, but I think it's gonna be cool, so let's get cracking. Come on. Oh yeah! Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Here we go. Oh, funky indeed. Well, there's some more of that, what I guess is a clay mineral. I really don't know what that is. That is, well, no, this one's a lot harder than the other. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research. But that is, wow, maybe it's a gossan of some kind? Could be decomposed mineral, but this one's really, really cool, so I'm not too fussed about sending this guy out. Yeah. Funky. Come on now, focus in. There we go. Like I said, let's take a little bit closer look at what this is going on in here. Huh. That's kind of metal. And here we go. Good break overall. Okay. All right. Nice, clean, sparkly crystal. Oh. Is that just a touch of amethyst? Where are you at? Come on now. A little bitty crystal right there. That's just got a touch of purple to it. That's cool. Oh, there's a fun little scepter right there. That's neat. All right. Hey, now that was... Okay, so this little nodule on the end's probably solid, but... Oh, yeah. That's another fun one. Haven't gotten any super funky colors yet out of this batch, but I'm hopeful. This one's got kind of a funky shape to it. Come on. Sparkles. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. That is a really weird... Alright, you see that way down in there? It's a really funky casting. It's a negative imprint of something. Probably another crystal that eroded out, or who knows. That's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. There we go. Alright, come on. Ooh! Ooh, you are adorable. Oh, look at those hyper gemmy little scepters down at the bottom. Lots of sparkles with this guy. Some really weird formations, too. My goodness, that's a good one. Alright, that last one was pretty cool. This one's got a little bit of rattle to it, so let's see what's going on inside. Come on. Oh, please don't crumble like that one did. Ooh, that's some sparkles. That is some sparkles. A little bit of color in there too, but yeah, I've cracked a bunch of white ones out of this batch. These are usually way more inconsistent than this, but that's okay. These are still good geodes. That's the important part. All right, so this one's another big long caterpillar. Did it? Yes! Went all the way through. Alright, what do we got? Okay. Okay. This one filled in quite a bit, but it's got some really gemmy crystals. Yeah, come on. You know you want to focus in. Yeah. It's got some really gemmy crystals to it. I like it. Almost looks like a mask. Like an old-timey... Oh, what's the word I'm looking for here? Like going to a masked ball or something. I don't know. It's just kind of what I see in it. But what do you see? Let me know in the comments. All right. Oh. See. This one's almost got kind of a funky blue tone to it. That's cool. I like that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Come on now, focus in. You can do it. You're a brave little toaster. It's wild. This one's got a little bit of a funky exterior to it. Let's see what happens. Come on. Yeah, before we open it though, look at this. Exterior is just a little bit different. Oh, hoo-wee, look at that. Looks like a wave. Oh yeah, somebody's gonna... Looks like a little wave on a beach. Excellent quartz growth, quartz formation. Probably some laminated gosling or something got in here and the quartz grew over that and it gave it that extra space to grow over. Oh, this one is... This one is primo. This is fantastic. Whoever's getting this one, extremely lucky. Congratulations in advance. I don't know, I'm literally wrapping them up as I go. So, you know, with the exception of the ones that were kind of funky. Those are over there. But, yeah, so no idea who's getting what. Whoever gets this, let me know, because I hope you enjoy. This one's super cool. Well, I have no idea if we're going to crack another one like the last one, so... Hoo-wee. Oh, let's hope we get a whole bunch more of those. That's the thing about geodes, they're all different. Some might be similar, but, oh man, just when you crack one like that, it just really gets you going. Come on now, a little excess material, we don't care about that, we want this puppy opened. That's the stuff. Alright. Ooh. Okay. So I love these needle-like structures down here. It's really getting me going. This one's got a fun color to it, just a little touch of iron staining, a little ferruginous touch to it. Sparkles galore. Fun crystal structure. This one's cool. This one's cool. I don't know that anything's going to top that last one, but this one's pretty cool. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Didn't even have my handle on it. Or my hand on the handle. Yeah, this one wanted to be opened. Oh man, I was just talking about how that last one. I was just talking about how that one couldn't be topped, but look at this puppy. Oh, look at that structure. Woo, got that star-shaped cavity going on. Always nice. Big crystals in this one. Lots of color variation. And that right there. Let's focus in. That right there. That's a flower. That's cool. Awesome. Whoever's getting this one, super lucky too. This is great. Okay. Ooh-wee. All right. Ooh, no, 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 no! No! And it's a good one! Oh, come on. Well, I guess this will make a fun little mineral specimen or something for a blind bag in the future. Actually, all of these will. These are perfect shape for that, but it's not helpful for what I want right now. Oh my goodness, look at this. Tragic. Tragic, 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 tragic. Well, bright side though, like I said, these will end up in blind bags or something in the future. Super cool, but man, I wish that stayed open. That one would have been... Some days it just be like this. What are you gonna do? Alright, let's try that again. That one wanted to be opened. Okay. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Yes! Ooh, yeah. Good color, lots of sparkles, great crystal growth. That's what's up. This geode's gonna make somebody very happy. There's already been so many ups and downs in this video. Hoo-wee. Come on. Good pop. Good crystals. Let's go. Ooh, aren't you fun? Oh, smoky quartz. Ooh, no, that's green. Oh, that's a touch of green. Oh, that is that some natural praise? I don't see that very often at all. Hello. Maybe it's more of a smoky quartz. It just kind of looks green at first glance, but ooh, wow, that's cool. This is... Next up. Hey. Okay. You being grumpy? Grumpy. It was a little bit of a funky break. But, all said and told, that's got some pretty wild growth to it. Lots of sparkles, really weird shape to the cavity. It's got some well-formed crystals to it. This side over here's got some fun stuff going on with it as well. Yeah, but I love these little crystal growths with the fun kind of botryoidal druzy in the back. That's spicy. I like it. Gut reaction, I think this one's going to be pretty cool. Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah, it's pretty cool. Love the color going on with it. Try not to snort that. Love the color going on with it. It's got some fun little crystal growths to it. There are some kind of wild growths in the furthest reaches of this. You can kind of sort of see where some of the crystal growths are coming together. Yeah, this is a cute one. I like it. Alright, what do we got? Oh! Whoa! Oh, ooh. Okay, this one's really cool. So that's just a huge double terminated quartz right there. Right there. That formed. There we go. Yep, it formed over a little chalcedony swirl in there. That's fun. This one's got some really cool color to it. Really cool structure. Oh man, that's wild. Oh, man, we're getting into them now. We're getting into it. All right. Well, let's get some more like that last one. I don't even know why I'm saying that. I might be editing this in a weird order. Like, oh, whatever. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Look at that structure. Sorry. Really gorgeous, almost flower-like structure with just a touch of color to it. Hey, look at these down here. That's just a touch of purple. Just a hint. The tiniest hint of purple. A little bit of amethyst in this piece. Some beautiful citrine color. Just... Mmm. Alright. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Let's go. Come on. What do we got? What do we got? Okay, funky one. Ooh. Okay, yeah, this one's got some... This one has kind of a really funky cavity. Goes in at a weird angle. But got some really, really gemmy crystal in it. Yeah. That's nice. I mean, it can't all be the last one, but... Okay, this one feels a little dainty, so here's hoping it doesn't crush on me again. Come on, just gentle, nice, clean break. Cool crystals. Ah, something amazing. Okay, little excess came off there, but that's okay. Had a little chunk, but that's fine because... That's pretty cool. Not a perfect split, but that interior more than makes up for it. That's cool. Nice swirling chalcedony with quartz overgrowth. That's cute. Yeah, I lost a little bit, but not bad. No. Come on. There we go. Alright, had a little funk going on there, but great color. That is a very, very vibrant iron inclusion. Very nice. So this one had another kind of really funky exterior to it. So I have high hopes, very high hopes for something really cool. No. Let's re-angle a bit. Ooh. All right. Oh, Geode of the volcano, tell me your secrets. Oh! Oh no! No! There was a big ol' calcite point right in the path of the geode, but this one still has a lot going on for it. My goodness. Still got a lot going on, but oh man, that's tragic. Nice big calcite point too. Unfortunately, with how it was positioned, I don't know that I could have cracked this without breaking it. But still really cool. I love the color, just that little tiny hint of green going on with this. Love that. Fun cavity, and I was right, it definitely was a funky one. Just look at this exterior. This one's bumpy. Okay. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. You. Little shakers. Okay, sorry. Being quiet's not going to make it any less fragile. What am I doing? Look at that bridge, that stalactitic growth in the middle there. Wow. Dainty crystals. Oh, this one's cool. Yep. Some lucky person's gonna get a really cool geode here. This one's really, really nice. Ooh wee. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hello. Got some more of that almost clay or gossan material, but look at the color on this one and some of the gemminess on this side over here. I love that color. It's such a good color. So this one's got some of that clay material going on with it, but it's still really, really cool. Does this one feel soft? Yeah, it feels soft. Interesting. I have to figure out what that is. But boy, oh boy, that's a fun one. Okay, come on. Ever since that really, really dainty one, that shaker, I've how do I put this? I don't know. I keep catching myself being really quiet, like I'm gonna somehow disturb the crystal if I cut it. Okay, come on. There we go. All right. Nice, clean cut, and ooh, look at them sparkles. That is a nice geode. That's special. I like that. Got a little bit of color variance to it. Lots of sparkles, lots of quartz overgrowth. That's a nice one. This is another one with kind of a weird exterior, so let's see how it does. Come on. Wow. Lots of laminated gossan on this one. Some kind of weird chalcedony and calcite growth on it. I'll set this one aside for, I don't know, freebies for kids or something to come in the store, but I'm not sending this one out. All right. I like that lovely yellow color. That is nice. Still got a ton of sparkle to it. But that color just gives it so much more accentuation. Just, It's nice. Ooh! Hee boy. There is some color variance going on with this puppy. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Ferruginous. There's full-on red back there. That's some nice ferruginous quartz. Okay, so this one is likely a double cavity. And I have high hopes for it. Come on. Come on. Real light, too, so should have a nice big cavity on the inside. Come on. Trying to be gentle. Come on. Ooh. Okay. What do we got? Okay. Look at you. That's... Okay, it looks better the more I look at it. Just, oh my goodness. Swirling chalcedony, a little bit of smoky quartz overgrowth, some iron stained quartz growing over that too in spots. Oh, that's a nice one. I like this one. Let's back that out and give it a little bit better look. Yeah, it's a nice one. I like that. Cute little cavity, lots of sparkles, really nice formations. Classic. And quite delightful. Not sure what the cavity reminds me of, but it's cool. Okay. Come on now. Oh, hey, rude. Yes. This one was pretty well filled in, but look at those quartz growths. Nice little needle-like formations. Oh, this one's still awesome. Oh, come on now. Should probably actually focus on what I'm doing here. Needle-like little formations down there. That is wild. That is a nice... Oh, that cavity right there. That's nice. Hey, no. Bad. You're naughty. Oh. Well, part of this one cracked. Well, I guess this one's gonna end up in the pile of misfits as well. So this one's got kind of a weird shape to it, so hopefully... No. Pow! Come on, be something really cool. I believe in you. Ooh. Okay. Got some nice crystal going on. Really gemmy crystal up here too. Just water clear in some spots. Right up. Yeah. Water clear. Nice sparkles. And it's a triangle cavity too, which is kind of neat. Yeah, if I had one more, we could have a Triforce. All right. Ooh, a little excess material came off there, but that's okay. What do we got? exactly. Right there. Love this little botryoidal outcropping, that's cute. Nice. Gentle, come on. Okay, nice. Well, hello. Look at that. The little outcropping of crystals down there. 10 out of 10. Love it. Hey, it's another triangle cavity. Cool. So this one already has a pretty big fracture running through it. So we're just going to try to... Yes! Look at that. I'm sorry, boy, you don't get the snack. Look at that. Okay, I'm glad I did that, because this is 10 out of 10. That is a nice geode. Whoops. Okay. That's a cute one. Sparkly little crystals. A lot of glitter in this one. Alright. So that's all I'm going to crack for now. If you haven't yet, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you're interested in the Mineral of the Month Club, I send out a fun mineral each month. And you know what? It's just going to keep getting better and better and better. I've got a good feeling about it. But I hope you all had a good day. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. And you have a wonderful, wonderful week. I'll see you in the next video.